On the auspicious day of Akshaya Tritiya, I want to give you a very beautiful gift which you can make it in your house, and it's a very easy do-it-yourself trick. You know that there is a power of consciousness is there, power of now, and power of your conscious mind. Everything is connected to a thing called secret, whatever you think that happens. But you know how to manifest that. So to manifest that, there are a lot of ways to do it. So today, on the day of Akshaya Tritiya, I'm gonna tell you how to make your own manifestation box. For that, what do you need? It's a very simple thing. You need few printouts of the things which you want to happen in your life. Your family pictures if you have, something like money, cash in your hands, and a marker and a sheet where you can write. And for all these things, the first and the foremost thing is you need to have a box. That box can be of cardboard or plastic or metal, anything. It is up to you. So let's start how to make this manifestation box now. So here I got a box. It is a jewelry box, but I have written my name. So what you have to do is you have to write down the date when you are making it, and then you write down what is this. It's a manifestation box. For whom is your name, like Sandeep Bhargava. What do you need in life is positivity, love, fame, and strength in life. But this is the outside of the box. But inside, what you need to do is, if you have a company or any of your visiting card, you can keep it here. So whenever you open it, you can see it. The box is empty right now, and we'll fill it up with some beautiful things which we all want to happen in our life. So what I want in my life is all here. So you can see it now. I made some things in for me. So, for example, I've written on a piece of paper, I've written career, travel, and love, relationship, finances, growth, family happiness, and health. So what you guys can do, you can write these things on a piece of paper. And for example, if you are talking about finances, you just take this money with you, put it in the box, and put this paper, finance, here. Then you talk about relationship, then you need to have a paper cut like this or any picture with your partner. You can keep it here, and you can keep the receipt which says relationship. If you want growth in your life, then this is the paper for growth. This is just an example. So whatever you feel like, wherever you feel like you want to reach, you can keep that thing here, and you write growth and keep it here. For travel, everybody wants to travel. So what I've got a cut which says most of the country's name. It's a colorful one, so it will always remind me that what I always wanted in my life. So I have written travel on this. After that, health, of course, that is something which is my primary motive. So this is the symbol for health. So you write health, this is what you manifest. And of course, I don't have a family picture right now to put in here, but I will put it later. You can keep your family picture if you are married, and if you have your family around, and if you feel that your parents and siblings, you love them most and you want them to be with you, you can keep their picture here, and on top you can just keep this family happiness paper. Then career means whatever career you want to make. You want to get into Bollywood, you want to get into medical, you want to go anywhere. You just need to keep a paper which says career here, and just keep it. And for love, if you feel that you want to fall in love with someone, or if you have somebody's name in your life and mind, just keep that name, picture, or anything which symbolizes that, which shows that it is love. You should keep it here and say love. When you fill this up, you just close it and keep it secretively somewhere where only you can see it, you can open it, you can feel it. Not like in a common area where your family is also looking at it. Don't do that. It is a secret box which gives a lot of happiness, positivity to your own life. So just keep it there. Don't forget to mention the date. And I'm telling you, today if you keep it, which is Akshaya Tritiya, everybody says if you start anything today, anything auspicious, it will never finish in life. So when you know it's eternal, then of course manifestation is something which we all feel it should be completed So whatever you start today, it will be completed and it will be there in your life forever. This was the manifestation box which anybody can make. So if you are feeling that you are lacking in something, write that thing, wipe it off from your heart and just put it in the manifestation box and let the universe help you to make it happen. God bless you and happy Akshaya Tritiya to you and your family.